everyone, and welcome to Sherry's World. And I have a very special recipe to make today, and it's for 8 people. And it's an apple crisp recipe. It's not too hard to make, but I'm gonna have so many apples to peel. So join me. First, you slice, peel, and core the apples. Using the Sapjack syrup, pure maple syrup, but this one is bourbon aged. Receptacle, I'm going to put in 1½ cups of flour. One and a half cups of rolled oats. 1½ cups of brown sugar.
apples.
There it is. Now let's bake it for about an hour, and because I've tripled the recipe, I'm going to check it periodically to make sure it's done. And there it is, all done. Now I just gotta wait for it to cool down. Syrup is so delicious with a little bit of cinnamon. The apples are a little hot. That you would think the bourbon flavored aged maple syrup would be kind of strong with this, but goes perfect with these apples. And then of course the cinnamon, and then you have the brown sugar. Very delicious, and it's definitely something to warm your stomach with right before Thanksgiving. Well, give it a shot, and I'll see you in the next video.